Actually, today is it's our revision time. So today I will revise from starting onwards. I will revise. So from A again I will teach you how to write cursive A. Okay. So see. First you have to do small curve. Then go up. Do slanting line. Okay. Then again do small curve. Okay. Then come back to the same line and do C curve. Understood? From here you have to go up and touch here. Then come down in the same line and do small curve. This is our A. Again, small curve, then go up, then do small curve, then come back to the same line and do C curve, then go up and join here, then come down and then do small curve. This is our cursive A, small A, small cursive A. Okay, you can say also A for apple. So here I write again A for you. Okay, so from blue line we have to start small curve, then go up to blue line, then do small curve and then come back to the same line and do C curve and touch here, touch up to blue line. Okay, then go up and join here and then come down and do curve. This is our A. Again I write here small curve, then go up and then do small curve, then come back to the same line and do C and touch here up to this line and then go up, join here, come down and small curve, small curve, do slanting line, again do curve, then come back to the same line and do C curve and then go up, join here, come down and do small curve. Okay, this is our cursive A. Again I write here for you because it's revision time, so I revise again and again and again. Okay, so see. A. A. You can say A for apple also and you can say A. You have to see here how to write because it's very smooth. See, very smoothly I write here and continue I write. When you put here pencil, then you have to continue complete one letter. Okay? A. 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 You can say A for apple. Otherwise, only A also you can say A. 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 Now again I show you how to write in our cursive book. So, how to write in our 4-line book. Okay. So today we will revise A. So how to write A from, again I repeat, this is our red line, this one is blue line, second one is also blue line, and last one is red line. So in cursive letter we should always start writing with our this line from blue line. Okay, understood? So here two blue line are here, but from this line we have to start. Okay, so from here I have to start. You should always start from here. Okay, understood? So today I will teach you how to write B. It's a revision time, so I revise how to write A. Okay, sorry, it's my mistake. How to write A. Small curve, then go and slanting line, do slanting line, then curve, then come back with the same line, do C curve, go up and touch here and come down and do curve. See, this is our cursive A. Again I write here small curve, then slanting line, then come back and touch here this up to blue line, touch here up to blue line and come back with the same line and touch here down blue line, and then go up and do straight line and do small curve. Okay, understood? So we have to, when we write A, at that time we have to speak also A. 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 F for apple. A. 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 F for apple. A. 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 F for apple. Here I when I write I speak also because of you. You have to do practice same only. Okay, when you write at home A, at that time you have to speak also. That's why I speak here again and again. That's why for you only I speak here. When I write I also speak here, because you have to do at home same process. Okay, A. For you only I speak again and again. So you have to again, when you write at home, at that time you should speak. Okay, A. 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 You can say also A for apple. A for apple. You can say also, but it is better you can say A. Okay, A. 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 So see, this is your classwork. CW. Okay, this is your classwork, and This page is your homework. A This page, it's in your homework. You have to do same this 2 page. See, I show you again. This is also your homework, and this one, second page also, it's your homework. So you have to do 2 page. Okay, your homework is 2 page. A for apple, 1 page. In 1 page you have to write 4 times. Same thing, in second page you have to write 4 times. A for apple. Okay, and see, this is your classwork. So in classwork you can write 3 times also, and you can write 4 times also. So overall 1 page, 2 page and 3 page you have to complete at home. Okay, till then, bye bye, thank you.